Okay, guys. So obviously, as you guys know, this week ends the marking period. So it's going to be the end of the 4 6 weeks on Friday. I'm gonna need everything submitted by midnight, so that I can put grades in the grade book this weekend. Okay. So there's a few things I want to go over. Today I want to show you guys what you guys need to do as far as submitting your answers to the free response test of your mock exam. But before I do that, let me explain a few things regarding an opportunity for girls this summer. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quickly. Okay. Um, and girls, this is something for you. Um, so guys, just sit tight for a moment. Um, Girls, I was told to tell you guys about this opportunity in which this outside program is offering for you all this summer. For any of you guys that are interested in coding, or you're interested in computer science, let's say you may want to pursue a career, in coding, or you may want to you may want to pursue a career that's related to coding or computer science. This summer, this program is going to have a hands-on coding camp, and it's open up to all girls in DeSoto ISD that are in grades 7 through 12. Okay, and the registration is completely free. Now, of course, there is a limit as to the number of girls that they are accepting, um, and I'm pretty sure that it's on a first come first serve basis. So if you're interested in this, I would definitely go ahead and get registered. Um, um, it is a virtual camp. It is going to be from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on from June 6th to June 11th this summer. Of course, girls, if you participate, check this out. For each participant who attends all 5 days of the camp will receive a $75 gift card. So basically, guys, you get free money for attending the camp. I mean, you can't beat that. You're getting paid with free money. Um, so this is an opportunity that's available for any girls that are interested. Um, but in addition to this camp right here, this same organization, they're also having a physics camp for girls. It's called Hands-On Physics, and it's going to be. It looks like it's going to be the week following the coding camp, which is from June 14th through the 18th. We actually had a few girls from DeSoto to participate in this physics camp last summer. Is there anyone on the Zoom call right now that participated in the camp from last summer? Anyone? Okay, well, if there's no one on here that participated in the camp from last summer, the girls that did participate in it, I heard they got a lot out of it, and they really enjoyed it. Like, even if you've already taken physics, it's still a good thing to participate because they're going to be doing a lot of hands-on stuff. Like, from what I told, like, you have to go to the school, pick up your kit, and of course in your kit you're going to be doing a lot of stuff with the kit. And it's the same thing for the coding camp. If you participate, you're going to be awarded with a $75 gift card just by participating. Now, guys, soon I'm going to post these PDF files in Schoology, so that you guys can register if you're interested in it. I have not posted these PDF files in Schoology yet because one of my students tried to register for the coding camp on yesterday, and it was giving her a problem with one of the drop down menus. And so I actually had to email the people today and to tell them that we're having problems with completing the registration. So as soon as they take care of that problem, I'm going to put this PDF file in Schoology so you guys can go ahead and register for this camp if you're interested. And again, this is only an opportunity for girls, and you're given a $75 gift card to participate. Okay, it's a coding camp and a hands-on physics camp. Okay, so something to think about if you guys are interested in this, or if you girls are interested in participating in this. Okay. Um, any questions regarding the camp, girls? Any questions? Okay, so now on today, what you guys have to focus on, you have to focus on your free response section of your mock test, And also for those of you guys who have not completed the multiple choice section, please get that done because that is due by 11:45 p.m. tonight. Like it must be taken by 11:45 p.m. tonight. Um, um, Real briefly, before I explain the free response section, I want to explain something about the multiple choice section. Guys, remember you're taking this in AP Classroom. So what you would do, you would go to myap.collegeboard.org. Okay, um, and you just put your username and your password, and as soon as you sign in, you should see the mock exam. Okay. Now, I'm going to say this, everyone. Some people have been having problems with taking their mock exam because their Chromebook or their laptop or whatever is having problems with the lockdown browser. Okay. Um, Guys, if you're one of those people where you have not been able to take the multiple choice section of the test in AP Classroom because you're having issues with the lockdown browser, Mrs. Murray made this video for her students to show them how to get around that problem if they're using a Chromebook and they're having issues with the lockdown browser. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this link in the chat box for you guys. Um, um, so Okay, so if you're one of the ones who's having issues with the lockdown browser because you're using a Chromebook, um, guys, follow this link here that I put in the chat box and watch that video from Miss Murray because it's just like a short 1 minute and a half video where she walks her students through how to take the mock exam in Chromebook because they're having issues with the lockdown browser. So please click on that link if this is you, if you're one of those students. Okay, because remember, guys, the multiple choice section of the test must be taken before 11:45 p.m. tonight. Like it has to be submitted before then, and you're given an hour and a half to take the test. So if you have not taken the multiple choice section of the test, be sure you do that. Be sure it's done before 11:45 p.m. tonight, which means you want to start before then, in order to to get it done in that hour and a half window. Okay. And again, if you're one of the students where you're having issues with your lockdown browser, please click on this link that I just put in the chat box that was made by Miss Murray because she shows students how to get around that. Okay. And remember, this multiple choice section of the test, you're just trying your best. It's not meant to hurt you because remember, everyone that takes it, the lowest grade you can get is a 90. Okay, it's meant to help you. Okay, so everybody got that? Now, guys, let's say you're still having issues with the lockdown browser even after you clicked on this. What I need for you guys to do. I need for you to send me an email before 11:45 p.m. tonight, and then I can check on that for you, and that way I can get in contact with you tomorrow to get around that. But guys, you must if you're not able to take the test before 11:45 p.m. tonight, you need to send me an email letting me know what your issue is. Because if you don't send me that email, then it's going to be considered a no show, or if you take it late, it's going to be counted as a late grade. Okay, so be sure you guys send me that email if you're still having issues with the lockdown browser. And my understanding is this link here, Mrs. Murray walks you guys through how to solve that issue. Okay, so please get the multiple choice section done if you have not done so. Okay. And again, shoot me an email before 11:45 p.m. tonight if you're still having problems with taking the test. Any questions on the multiple choice section? Ramaya, can you stay on after this Zoom call and I can check on that for you as soon as we get done with the Zoom call? Is that okay? Stay on just a few
Yes.
minutes. Okay. Okay, now, the free response section. Now, guys, the free response section is going to be different from the multiple choice section. The free response section is actually posted in Schoology. And let me show you guys how to get to that and what you guys need to do for the free response section. Okay. Now, so in the folder for today, I posted the mock exam free response section. It is already been posted. So Okay, so guys, you want to click on the Thursday folder for today. Okay, this PDF file right here, these are all the questions um, for the free response section. There's 5 questions. And again, guys, just like the multiple choice section, you are not expected to know everything. Some of this material we have not covered yet. You're just going to do your best. Do your best. Again, this is to give you guys a feel for the actual AP test. You're going to do your best. Now, some of this stuff, um, uh, some of this stuff we have not talked about yet. Um, but some of this stuff we've gone over to where you should have an idea of it. So, for example, look at this question right here where it says there's block 1 and then there's block 2 hanging from a string. And it says draw the forces acting on block 1 and block 2. So, guys, y'all should know how to do that because we've done free body diagrams before. So some of the stuff you guys should have an idea, but I want you guys to do your very best on this. Again, I don't expect you to know everything. Again, it cannot hurt you. Everybody gets an A just by taking the mock exam. Once you're done with taking the mock exam, once you're done with writing your answers for the mock exam for the free response section, you're going to take a picture of it and you're going to upload it here to the submission box. Be sure I can read everything, guys. And guys, your pictures of your answers must be uploaded before midnight tomorrow. I'm going to say it again. It must be uploaded before midnight tomorrow. Okay. Now, guys, there's 1 or 2 ways by which you can record your answers. You can do it like we've been doing, where you kind of take a notebook paper out, take notebook paper out, write your answers on notebook paper, and then take a picture of the notebook paper and upload it into Schoology. But guys, there's another way you can do this. If you want to actually annotate the PDF file, what you can do, you can open up Kami. So Kami, Kami, guys, everybody in here can get Kami on your laptop or your computer. Again, it's basically an extension for your web browser. So guys, once you have Kami, you can basically download that PDF file, and then once you download that PDF file to your computer, you can open it up in Kami. Okay. Now, guys, the nice thing about Kami, you can actually write your answers in the PDF file using Kami. So, for example, if you want to write your answers in the PDF file, so for example, on part B, here, if you want to write your answers, then you can just, do the pen here and put, you can put your answers here. Okay. And of course, once you written your answers in the PDF file, go through and answer all the questions here. What you want to do is you want to take this and you want to click download, and you want to download the PDF file to your computer with all the annotations. Okay. And once you download that to your computer with all the annotations, then you can save that and then upload that into Schoology, into the submission box. Okay. And guys, you don't even have to necessarily write your answers. You can in fact even type your answers in Kami. Because check this out right here. Kami has a text box. You can put a text box here, and let me show you guys here. So like, you can put a text box, and you can do this, where it says you can type your answers here. So you can even type your answers and save that PDF file and then upload that into Schoology. Okay, so if you want to do that, you are free to do that. Okay, you can type, you can write on the PDF file, and then you can upload that here into the submission box. Okay, and again, this must be done before Friday midnight if you want full credit. Any questions? Lillian, as far as the MacBook is concerned, you might be able, I don't think you will have any problems with using a lockdown browser in MacBook. I haven't heard of anybody having that problem, so you should be good. If you do have a problem, just email me.
That's the only thing that we have to print in, right?
I'm sorry?
I said that's the only thing that we have to print in, right?
What do you mean turning in? Well, remember, okay, so there's two things you have to submit. You have to submit if you
I'm
haven't done the multiple
I'm talking
choice.
about today. Just for today, when we have to turn
Yes.
the
Okay.
mock exam.
Yes. Just for today, the multiple choice section on the mock exam must be completed. On tomorrow is the free response section that is due. Does that make sense?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. So guys, the multiple choice section of the mock exam is due by 11:45 p.m. tonight. The free response section you have to tomorrow midnight to get it submitted. Okay. Um, any other questions? And again, guys, just do your best on the mock exam. Again, I know you will not know everything. Not only is the AP test hard, we haven't even covered everything yet. So it's NIMSY is just making us do this at this time so that you guys can have a feel for the actual AP test. So it's going to be two test grades. The multiple choice section is going to count as a test grade, and the free response section is going to count as a test grade. Okay, and so get that submitted if you have not already done so. Okay. Any other questions for me? Okay, guys, please get the attendance form filled out if you have not done so. I hope you guys have an excellent spring break. My goal is to get all the grades in grade book before the end of the day on Sunday. That's my goal. Because I got so much to do and I got so much grading to do. Not only on the on assignments that I posted this week, but also assignments that I posted on last week as well. Okay. So I have to get those assignments graded, and I'm gonna have everything posted in. I'm gonna have all the grades posted in Teams by Sunday. That's the goal. Giovanni, what is your question? What do you mean? Oh, I'm sorry. That was the video. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me let me get that. Sorry, guys. Let me copy the attendance form again. Okay, I'm copying it now.
Mr. Taylor.
Okay, guys, the attendance form. Okay, the link that I just put in the chat box. That's the correct attendance forms. Yes.
I
Yeah.
have two missing assignments I need to turn in. Can I turn those in still?
Yes. Just be sure to email me or message me when you've done it. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope you all enjoy your spring break. If there are no questions for me at the moment, you guys are free to go. I will keep the Zoom call open up for a little bit longer in case you guys have any questions. Bye, Jade. Enjoy
Bye,
your
Mr.
break.
Taylor.
Bye, Lillian. All right, y'all have fun over break, okay? Take it easy, guys.
Bye. Have a great spring break.
All right, you too, Jasmine. Alexander, have a good one, brother. Take it easy, y'all. Bye, Sydney. Have fun. Bye, guys.